happy to have Marcel back from Ohio, and sorry about what happened last weekend. Ohio State, Michigan.
Oh, I didn't watch the game.
Oh,
I didn't know
good,
what
good, yeah. The better team won.
The team won
Good,
Michigan,
yeah.
probably, right? Because I'm from Ohio.
Yeah, so this is pretty much the end of the journey as far as where you began, where you're at, and we even upgraded the type of teeth to thimble,
Yes.
more characterized, specialized. So tell us, what do you think?
I think they look fantastic. They feel great.
Awesome.
You know, huge difference. Like I said, I don't have the pictures
You got rid
that
of
you
them all.
took before
Yeah,
with my teeth, how they looked before. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm
awesome.
very happy.
Awesome.
I think everybody here did a fantastic job. You know, in the lab.
Yeah.
You know, with
Wow.
my finals, they did a fantastic job.
Awesome. So it wasn't the easiest, it wasn't the fastest, but you know, when we have patients who really want to be able to feel their best and look their best, you know, thank you so much.
Thank you also, and thank you to all your team and
Great.
the lab once
Yeah.
again.
We're all together to help you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
So if anyone's out there looking for a place to go, Smoler Smiles is the place.
Absolutely.
Great.